That skill presents dividing fractions. A division sentence can always be written as a multiplication sentence. For example, if you are dividing a number with 2, you can say that you are multiplying the number with 1/2. Similarly, dividing with 3 is the same as multiplying with 1/3 and so on. Do we see a pattern? We actually do, but only after we have changed the 2 to a 2/1 to be written as a fraction and the 3 to a 3/1. Now if you look at this fraction and this fraction, so when you change a division to a multiplication, you actually flip the numerator and the denominator on the divisor. So the 1 goes on top, the 2 comes on the bottom, and the division changes to a multiplication. Similarly, when you're dividing with 3/1, flip the 3 on the 1, bring the 1 on the top, 3 on the bottom, and change the division to a multiplication. And this can be extended for any fraction. So if you're dividing with, let's say, 3/4, it amounts to the same as multiplying with 4 on the top and 3 on the bottom. By the way, when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction are flipped, the new fraction is called the reciprocal of the original fraction. And the same goes the other way. So we say these two fractions are reciprocals of each other. And if you multiply these two fractions, you get 1. If you multiply 3/1 with 1/3, you get 1. And so on. So let me write that down. 4/3 is called the reciprocal of 3/4. So the rule is, if we have a fraction n1/d1, numerator 1 over denominator 1, that needs to be divided with another fraction n2/d2, it's the same as multiplying the fraction n1/d1 with the fraction d2/n2, the reciprocal of n2/d2. Let's look at a couple of examples. Let's try 1/2 divided by 1/4. So this is equal to 1/2 times 4 on the top, 1 on the bottom, 4/1. And you could cross off the 2 and the 4, that means divide both of them with 2 and write a 2 here. So this becomes equal to 1 times 2 on the top and 1 times 1 on the bottom. Just in case you're confused with the crossing off step, all I did is I divided 2 with 2 to get a 1 here and 4 with 2 to get a 2 here. And the final answer is 2/1, which is 2. Let's try and divide 4/5 with 2/15. So this is going to be equal to 4/5 times 15/2. Divide 5 with 5 and 15 with 5. And divide 4 with 2 and 2 with 2. So that we have 4 divided by 2 is 2 on the top, 5 divided by 5 is 1, times 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is equal to 2 times 3, that's a 6, over 1, 1 times 1, so that is equal to 6. Let's do a division with mixed numbers now. Let's say we want to divide 4 and 3/5, the mixed number, divided with 1 and 3/20. The first step is to change both these mixed numbers to their equivalent improper fractions. 4 times 5 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23 on the top, 5 on the bottom, divided with 1 times 20 is 20, plus 3 is 23 on the top, 20 on the bottom. The rest is easy. 23/5 times, flip the 23/20, take the reciprocal, 20 on the top, 23 on the bottom, which is equal to, cross off the 23 with the 23, meaning divide both of them with 23. So that becomes 20 over 5. Divide 5 with 5 and 20 with 5. The greatest common factor between them is 5. So in the end, we have a 1 here over 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 20 divided by 5 is 4 over 1, which is 4.